Dum-de-dum, dum-de-dum. What a beautiful day it is outside. Huh. Well, I mean, I'd better get going. Oh, crap. We're all out of ingredients. Rawr? Say, little doggy, would you like to be made into some soup? Flip plop. Jingle. Ding. Yummers. Pebble! Pebble! Hey! Oh, Sprout, have you seen Pebble anywhere? Glance, glance. No? Hey, do you want some rock soup that I just found? Sprout, I swear to God. Crash! Get back here, you! Pebble Mama! You! I'm sorry, I don't know what I did. All I did was make some delicious rock soup. Pebble edition. You little... What happened? Hey, crashing trucks into things is my thing. Yeah, right. Guys, stop fighting. Why should we do that? Because, I like cake. I like cake too. I also like cake. You know, why don't we all bond over some delicious cake? Fresh from the oven. Yummy. I couldn't get enough of that. You know what that's better than? What? Trucks.